Gungaloosh, ladies and gentlemen, I am not dead. I know I haven't vlogged in a long time, but hey, why not? It's the holiday season. I'm here with Chris from Ear to Ear Magic, and we are going to do Tales of Terror. You're going to ask yourself, what's with the glow necklaces?
That's how they know how to aim with the saws.
This walkthrough, Tales of Terror, is really unique, where if you're wearing one of these things, you have to buy these. You can't just walk in with one.
It's an add-on.
Yeah. If the scare actors inside see you wearing one, they can reach out and they can mess with you. They can touch you. They can
Which
do
is
stuff.
really funny, because at most places you pay additional to get stuff like this so they won't mess with you.
Yeah, exactly. So I've never seen like a horror trail do anything like this before, where they will mess with you.
Have you done this before?
I have. I
have not.
thoroughly enjoyed it. This is, like I said, the only time I've ever heard of any place doing something like this. So you're in for a treat there, buddy. Unfortunately, they only want me to record in this style, with the selfie style. So you're gonna see my face a lot. Matter of fact, I'm gonna spin the hat around so I can, because I like to actually see everything that's going on. You want me to lead so you can be behind me?
That way I can be in the shot when I scream.
All right. Oh yeah, this is another thing. You're gonna see a lot of this, probably just a silhouette, but hey, trust me, it's gonna be worth it. All right, here we go.
We're getting announced.
Oh, into the tech room.
Are you kidding me? There's four of you! Are you kidding me? What do you think I can do to save the world? Are you
Why not?
Oh, you deserve every bit of what you're going to help me, please! You deserve every bit of it. Get me out of here! Help me! I'm good. I've had enough of this! No, take it! No,
Boys, have fun! Oh goodness! Oh, don't wake her! Don't wake her! Oh, there's my buddy!
Take pieces of them and create my babies.
Oh, it looks wonderful! Oh, I love what you've done with the place!
Oh, it's so personable. My babies.
Okay.
She's got a taser.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Hello, beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. I forgot about that. Oh, that's awesome. Hey. Oh my. I want another puppy. Oh my god. It's on the ground. I'm getting strep searched. Oh, there he is. There's my buddy. Hey, how you doing?
Another puppy.
Oh my goodness, yeah, I love you. I know, I miss you too. Oh, that's great.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. Okay. Like, oh, that's.
I bet you got taken lots of things, you son of a bitch!
Hey, buddy!
Y'all made it this far! Maybe you need to add to the collection. What do you think, boy? You need to take a dump for me? I can watch if you want. I can watch if you don't.
How you feeling, Chris?
What do you think, Chris? You need to take a dump, buddy.
Where's my hat go?
No, I don't know where it is.
You need to wear a new hat.
Too much. This one's gonna be brown when you get it back.
Oh, no.
If you get it back,
If you get it back.
Hey, you gotta wear it as long as we're quiet. They can't see us.
No.
Just keep it between them for me.
Oh, Jesus God Almighty. Hey, good looking. Okay, all right, Chris, you're on your own, buddy. People are catching up to us. I can hear them.
Oh my gosh.
Are people behind us running? Hey!
Help! They're right in front of you.
Hey! That's an amazing trick.
I know.
This is awesome. Oh, The satisfied customer. Oh, hi! I brought a friend!
You brought me a friend?
Chris, say
He's
hi!
right back there. He's right back there. Come on, hurry on. No.
You brought me a friend?
Right here!
Oh, you're so much better with a hat, though.
How you doing? You doing good?
Where's the farmhouse?
How are you doing?
I'm great! I could really use a water, but I'm good.
The farmer has a water bottle for you.
You sure you want a water?
Hey! Oh, I'm good, thank you. I'm tripping on stuff.
Oh, that looks yummy. That looks so good. I had dinner already. I gotta.
You're gonna stay here with us.
Oh, no, I gotta
You're
go.
gonna stay
It's
here
been
with
a lot
us.
of fun.
No.
Bye, Chris!
Bye. It's been fun. I gotta take the laundry off the lawn. Oh my God.
Yeah, well, there you go. There's
Oh
the
my
laundry. Oh my, okay, we gotta go this way.
Chris, is this your hat? I fought off a monster for you, man.
Thank you so much. You're gonna have to put this somewhere I can never see it again.
Yeah, well, up your ass. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's so cool. This is the coolest thing.
Oh snap! There they go.
Oh my. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my God, you look great. Okay, you're not. Oh my God, you're wonderful. Oh, that was awesome. Hiding in the smoke so you couldn't see him. Oh, what do you? Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I wish I could better light it. And that's it. I know it might have been really hard to see. It's gonna be fun to edit. But they stole his hat at one point.
They stole my hat.
They stole your hat!
And you know what? I was willing to let it go. Keep going.
It's going to a better place.
I can get another hat.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
That was that was so much fun. We're gonna do it again.
Why not? One more time?
Yeah.
That's the first time ever I went to a haunted house where they started calling me by my name.
Yeah. They know you.
That's creepy.
They know you. Like a Daft Punk song. One more time.
Come on! Are you kidding me?
Is that working?
No! It's you guys again!
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Can't get rid of us.
Okay, guys, get me out of here, please, man. I know what it's all
Third
about.
time around, you gotta get me out of here.
How? Is there a key?
Here, let me help.
Oh, there you go. You're doing fine. Doing fine. Hey, buddy.
You came back.
Yes.
Are you ready to be beautiful again?
Yeah. What do I need to do? Buddy, oh, okay. So here?
Beautiful.
I need that. Well, sometimes. Can I keep it for the weekend? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Pulling up the pants. Hey buddy, how you doing? Oh, I want to hug you, but I can't. Oh. Chris, where are you running, bud? There's nothing. What are you afraid of?
Never mind then.
And I got people pulling at my legs. I'm gonna lose my pants. Thank God I got my belt on. Oh my!
Surprise, you some bitch!
Buddy, I want to buy you a drink.
Okay, come on back, man.
All right.
I haven't had one of them in a while. What you gonna buy from?
Whatever you want.
You want in there? You can have some. Get down on
I'm
it.
good on toilet wine.
That is not wine, my friend.
Oh, I don't believe you.
Well, way to find out. That's authentic, man.
Oh my God, it's
That's
got
the real
real.
deal, man.
Oh God, I'm gonna puke.
Got a place for you to puke right there.
You do. It looks like it's been used. Oh, all right.
Slow down a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, my friend Chris.
No, not you. We're gonna let Chris die.
Chris, come on back, buddy.
That guy's gonna die of bald and shame with no hat.
We're here. We made it to Mike's junkyard.
Yes, we did.
That guy's still behind us.
Oh, hey. How you doing, buddy?
It must be Mike. Oh, I'll let you go ahead.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sure. Hi. How you doing?
Oh my
I was looking for you earlier. Oh my God. Look wonderful. I'm just gonna go right over here. Is that all right? Hi. Yeah. I need. That's my chest hair. Oh boy, that's scary as hell. Who? Somebody wants peanut butter.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Hi.
Come back to see me, Skipper.
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
And you
Why are you pushing me?
Go for it.
He
Go
can't
for
wait to
it.
get in here.
I know he's in a rush.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh, you got a friend.
Oh yes.
Oh, here she is. Hi. I'm good. Thank you so much.
Roaches.
Oh, well,
Roaches, Skippy.
okay. Well, I'm gonna claim the fifth on that one. Oh my goodness.
Come back to see me, Skipper.
I will. I absolutely will. I love you too. You're wonderful. Oh my. Okay. And here. Oh yeah. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. This. Yes. Easily. Yeah. I'm being enticed. Okay. That is so cool. Yes. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh my God.
Hi. I made a friend. Hi there. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, that's gonna do it. This was a lot of fun. For a local hunt, that was worth it, wasn't it?
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed
Completely
it.
different experience with the fact that, you know, you can get grabbed, I've gotten shoved, I've gotten pushed.
My pants almost came off. So if this comes back next year, you're gonna make your way out to come and see it, because I know I will.
so, yeah.
Yeah,
Let me
this was a lot of fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Chris, thanks for joining me on
Thank you
this.
for the invite. It was
I want to
awesome.
thank everyone here at Tales of Terror. It was a lot of fun. You guys did a wonderful job.
Great,
it was
great actors,
amazing.
great actors in the house.
Yes.
You guys were they're extremely creepy and funny at the same time.
Yeah, and scary too.
And thank you for giving me my hat back. Subscribe button. You gotta subscribe. That's how you support your creators on YouTube, guys. So. They've also got paintball over here where you can hunt zombies. I am not kidding you. That's what they do here. They hunt zombies with paintballs. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and do the normal stuff. Whatever YouTuber says, you know the deal. Thanks for watching. Kongaloosh. The best way to put it is Halloween Horror Nights style with a SeaWorld budget.